I'm Marcelo.
My name is David.
Hello, I'm Pranav.
Hello, my name is Morgan Talbot.
My name is Jerry.
My name is Steven Casper.
My name is Mengmi. I'm a second-year postdoc in Kreiman Lab.
Hi, my name is Will. I'm a fourth-year grad student in the MCO program, jointly advised by Professors Gabriel Kreiman and Margaret Livingstone.
I recently joined the Kreiman Lab for my master thesis.
And in my research, I use computational models and neurophysiological recordings in the human cortex to study what are the neural codes underlying human cognition and memory.
I'm interested in exploring questions around learning and memory from using computational and behavioral approaches, and I hope to apply what I learned to the development of new diagnostics or therapeutics for psychiatry.
I work with human intracranial data and human patients to understand how grammatical and ungrammatical phrases are processed in the brain.
I'm a MD PhD student and a second-year PIN student in the Kreiman Lab, working on the mechanisms behind visual memory encoding and retrieval.
I'm working on a project looking at physiological interactions in the human brain.
And I'm a fourth-year undergrad working in the lab. I'm one of the lab members who is more interested in the deep learning side of things, and some of the questions that I find the most interesting involve adversarial examples and interpretability in deep learning models.
I'm currently studying visual neural responses during natural behavior and building computational models for them.
My colleagues and friends in the lab work on data ranging from computational models like artificial neural nets to physiological systems like humans, monkeys, and worms to answer key questions about the brain.
My favorite part about the lab is that we collaborate with people with broad expertise, from neuroscience to robotics to AI.
One thing that I really like about this lab is that there's a really cool group of people who have mixed interests in neuroscience and in machine learning. And the lab's a really great place where they learn a lot from each other and have a lot of beneficial interactions.
My favorite part of the Kreiman Lab has to be my lab mates. They are some of the most kind and interesting people, and in a single lab meeting, you'll hear about everything from how to constrain artificial superintelligences to automated virtual reality setups, all the way to the neural basis of visual search.
One thing that I enjoy are our weekly meetings. We have presentations about diverse projects. Some focus on deep learning, while others dig into biology or behavioral experiments.
The Kreiman Lab is a great environment for me because most of the lab is highly computational. So I get a lot of good advice and ideas, complementary to the experimental work I do in my other lab.
It has been a very fantastic experience working in the lab. I feel very grateful for all the help and support I can get from both my peers and my mentor.
It's a joy and a privilege to interact so closely with such a community, and especially with Professor Kreiman, who's so excited and motivated to guide us in the right direction.
Overall, being able to do research in the past few years has been one of the best experiences I've had as an undergrad, and I would definitely recommend the same to anyone else who might have this interest, getting support from the Harvard Undergraduate Research and Fellowships Office.
I'm really looking forward to meeting you all in the virtual space very soon.
Stay safe. Hope to see you soon.